Hello everyone, hope you guys are good. In this video we will talk about bicep workout. Lock your elbows. Pull the dumbbell as high as your chest. My mentor at gym, Sir Mujahid Qureshi, truly an inspirational personality. Hold the zigzag rod bar with the wide grip. Pull the bar up at the level of your upper chest. When you release the bar, keep your biceps hard and don't leave the weight on your hands. Keep the pressure on your bicep during the whole exercise. Put the bar down for a second. Lift it again with the close grip and complete 12 reps again. Make 3 sets of these 2 exercises together. The next exercise is hammer curl. Hold the dumbbells with the neutral grip and curl the dumbbell upward. The next workout is preacher curl with W bar. Keep your triceps resting. Hold the bar with underhand grip. Curl your arms towards your shoulders until your biceps are squeezed. Inclined dumbbell bicep curl. Face up on inclined bench. Vertical arm angel limits the involvement of shoulders. This is the good exercise for beginners. To target the bicep muscle properly, this curl variation is performed for moderate to high reps, like 12 rep per arm or more. Straight bar cable curl. Attach the straight bar with low cable pulley. Grab the bar with an underhand shoulder grip. Lock your elbows slightly in front of your body. Squeeze your bicep hard before lowering the weight down to the starting position. If you want more fitness videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.